Ever wondered how UGGs, the cozy, iconic boots, come to life? What base materials are used and transformed to create such classic boots? UGGs boots are the staple of comfort and style. When they first came out, people didn't like their appearance and called them the ugly boots because of their unique and distinctive design. Nonetheless, today they are recognized as a gross country for their classic appearance and amazing warmth. What's the story behind them being considered one of the failures of fashion footwear to become the most idolized boots? Stick around, because we're stepping inside the process from the factory floors to the history that started it all. Welcome to INDUSTRIA, where we uncover the fascinating processes behind the iconic products and take you inside the factories. So grab your snacks and let's go! UGG boots were invented in Australia in the early 1900s, created for farmers and sheep herders to keep their feet warm. Over time, their cozy design caught on, and by the 1950s, they became a popular souvenir for tourists. In the 1970s, surfer Brian Smith saw their potential and brought them to California, where they quickly became a hit with the surf community. By 1978, Smith founded UGG Australia and trademarked UGG in the US. After slow sales, the boots gained major attention in the 1990s, especially after being worn by the US Olympic team and endorsed by celebrities like Oprah. Today, UGG boots are a global icon known for their perfect blend of comfort and style and are loved by people worldwide. The journey of UGGs started with their most important material, sheepskin. For each pair of boots, premium twin-face sheepskins are used. They are generally assembled by manual sewing. First, the leather is used in the upper part of the boots and is cut to the right size and shape. This high-quality material is sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring both durability and comfort. Did you know? Sheep are shorn annually to remove their fuzz, which then grows back, and each fleece is carefully selected for its softness and thickness, ensuring UGGs retain their cozy, luxurious feel. The raw sheepskin is collected from countries like Australia, the US, Ireland, and Spain. It is cleaned and processed through many chemical processes, which include the removal of dirt, blood, and debris. The skin is salted immediately after collection, which preserves them until they are transported to the tannery. The transformation of raw sheepskin into the snug embrace of UGG boots starts with a crucial step: soaking. This process is a lavish overnight spa experience for the skin. Soaked in fresh, cold water, the skins undergo a thorough rinse to eliminate any residual salt or dirt from the wool and pelt. This gentle, yet effective cleansing prepares the way for the soft, high-quality material that UGG boots are celebrated for, serving as the perfect refreshment before the real craftsmanship takes place. The following step is known as fleshing. During this phase, a fleshing machine efficiently strips away any remaining fat and muscle from the underside of the sheepskins. This step is crucial as it facilitates quicker and more thorough absorption of chemicals, especially during pickling and tanning. After fleshing, the skins undergo a quick 30 to 45-minute scouring process. This step removes dirt and grease from the wool using heat of 38 degrees Celsius and cleaning agents. Next up, pickling, a 16-hour soak in an acid and salt solution. The salt keeps the skin from swelling, and the acid lowers the pH to about 2.8 to 3.0, preparing the skin to absorb the tanning agents. Finally, during tanning, chromium salts are used to balance the skin and prevent rotting. This step happens at room temperature, and the chromium bonds with the collagen in the skin. The process is finished by adjusting the pH and gently heating the skins to make them strong, durable, and ready for crafting into UGG boots. The dyeing process for the wool used in UGG boots is careful and essential for achieving the desired color, flexibility, and texture. The dye is carefully mixed with emulsified oil and fat liquor, enhancing the color's richness and ensuring the wool remains soft and flexible. After applying the dye, it is dried using forced air for 4 to 32 hours, depending on wool thickness and conditions. The wool is then dry cleaned with perchloroethylene to remove grease, dirt, or wet residues. This process ensures the wool is clean, vibrant, soft, and ready for the next steps in creating high-quality UGG boots. UGG has battled over 60,000 counterfeit websites and seized millions of fake products worldwide. Making UGG boots is a fascinating process that combines precision, creativity, and sustainability. It all starts with special stencils and a powerful machine called a clicker press, which cuts the different parts of the boots from high-quality sheepskin. Every cut is planned to reduce waste, and the leftover pieces are transformed into adorable stuffed toys, comfy dog beds, and other eco-friendly products. Once the pieces are ready, the upper part of the boot is hand-stitched. This step is done with care to make sure every detail is perfect, giving the shoes their signature premium look and feel. For the inner layer, an overlocker machine is used to stitch it together. This makes the shoes strong and supportive, perfect for keeping your feet cozy. Next, the edges of the boots are smoothed and finished using a binding machine, creating the iconic trim that makes UGG boots stand out. The stitching process isn't just functional, it's also an art. Each stitch is placed with precision to enhance the boot's design and strength. Now, let's talk about what makes UGG boots so comfortable and durable: the soles. UGG uses EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate, which is lightweight, flexible, and shock-absorbing. This means every step you take feels cushioned and supported, whether you're lounging at home or out for a walk. The magic of EVA is that it's tough enough to withstand wear and tear, but still soft and flexible, making it ideal for all-day comfort. The soles are carefully molded to match the boot's design, ensuring a perfect fit. Once that's done, advanced adhesive techniques securely bond the sole to the boot's upper part, ensuring it stays in place even with daily use. And the tread design? It's not just for looks, it's all about providing excellent grip and traction, so you stay steady on your feet, rain or shine. With EVA's shock-absorbing power, the soles offer both comfort and durability, giving your boots the longevity they deserve. The perfect blend of innovation and craftsmanship makes UGG boots such a reliable and iconic choice. UGGs were first popularized by surfers in California during the 1970s for keeping their feet warm after catching waves. Before UGG boots make it to your feet, they undergo an intense quality check to ensure they're flawless. Every pair is carefully inspected by skilled workers who look for imperfections, from stitching issues to material flaws. They go over the boots with a fine-tooth comb, ensuring everything, from the seams to the soles, is in perfect condition. If there's even the tiniest issue, the boots don't cut. This process ensures that only the best quality boots reach you, giving you confidence in comfort and durability. Plus, UGG uses high-tech tools alongside expert hands to guarantee every pair meets their rigorous standards, so you know you're getting something built to last. It's all about attention to detail and ensuring each pair of boots is nothing short of perfection. Only the shoes that pass these tests can carry the iconic label of UGGs. UGGs became a Hollywood favorite after Oprah Winfrey featured them on her Favorite Things list in 2000. Stars like Kim Kardashian and Blake Lively have since rocked them, making UGGs a true celeb staple. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of how UGG boots are made. From sourcing premium sheepskin to ensuring every pair meets perfection, UGGs is a testament to craftsmanship and innovation. If this behind-the-scenes peek warmed your heart as much as UGGs warmed your feet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to INDUSTRIA. Stay tuned for more stories about the products you love. UGG boots, a blend of luxury, comfort, and history in every step. What product should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments.